Open it.
What you got?
Take a bite.
This is the egg.
It's Gemma.
The egg.
Well, get inside of it.
I want to make them
There might be a toy inside.
Take a bite.
Let's see what the surprise is. Open. Break it. Let her do it. Get it. You got it. Keep going. Harder. Oh, good job. Way. Oh, what is it?
What's this? What's that?
What is it? Childproof? Oh, no, that's chocolate. She got that. She knows how to open that. Give it to her.
They were this.
Oh, a flyer. What's the flyer say? I don't know about this toy. What is it, baby? Put it together. What's up with these stupid toys?
Oh, wow! What is it?
I'm glad you like it. What is it?
What's my candy?
Oh, wow. It looks like 2 pieces of plastic.
It's my daddy book.
And
Wow.
a piece of paper.
Put it together, Ma. Read the flyer.
Now, where my the egg?
Yeah, you need the D-egg. That was a ripoff. All our friends around the world, they better send us some. We always meant to go back to the store and get the, what's the name of the good ones? You want the turtle one?
Where's the
I don't know if there's a turtle inside, but it's green like a turtle for the jungle. Maybe a monkey. You got it? Give Daddy the trash. You got it?
This is
You didn't figure it out?
turtle.
Hook the 2 plastics and then put the other guy on top. Wow, milk chocolate. What is it?
This is just egg.
Get it.
Open it.
Get it.
Oh. Oh, take the egg.
Get it. Pull hard.
Like this. Look.
Mom can't even do it. Oh, wow. It's a car?
It's car.
Where's the flyer? Mommy, where's the flyer? No flyer? Man, they're getting crazy with these eggs, kitty.
I got a car.
Here, Mommy. Do us doing a car.
Your hands smell.
Like
You
what?
can wash your hands.
Oh, daddy, daddy.
Let that mommy help. Mommy do the car.
The window steady closing as you open up your face. And I see your face coming closer. Alexa, cook!
No.
No. Oh, this one has a flyer.
I got a car.
Why they don't sell these here? Probably the FDA's fault. Here, Alexa, you can hold the.
No, it's car.
Here, Mom, ship us some eggs.